Properties.
And I'm Ben Savrick with Moreland Properties.
Welcome to 100 Redbud Trail and 1200 Westlake Drive. Two adjoining properties totaling 3.5 acres that create a rare private compound opportunity in the heart of Westlake.
This house reflects timeless mid-century architecture, reimagined by Black Dove Interior Design and DOB&EEL, with glass walls that invite natural light and connect to tranquil outdoor spaces. Next door is 1200 Westlake Drive, which is a 2.5-acre lot that offers space for expansion, whether it's a new guest house, additional residence, or private gardens.